Hey guys, and welcome back to Patriot Contraptions. I do all kind of crazy modding videos, and today we're modifying this bicycle. Now, it's got a lot wrong with it right off the bat. Pedals are loose. The cables are pretty much non-existent. We also have tape for handlebar grips. So, yes, we have a lot of work to do, but at the end of the day, I'm hoping this turns into one cool dirt jumper. In order to do that, we're going to have to cut the frame right here, drop it down so it's in line with the rear axle, and then we're going to have to fix the pedal, fix the chain, and go for a test ride. Let's get started. So the first step for getting this bike in shape, we're going to take everything off that doesn't need to be on it. That includes the seat, frame, wires, possibly the brakes, we'll see about that. Definitely the tires themselves, and pretty much everything else we can possibly get off this bike, so that's just a frame so I can weld safely and get it modified.
So let's do the fun part. Yeah, go. Heaven riding time. This is high precision machining right here. The sledgehammer. The sludge caliper.
So next up, we're getting rid of this silly little guard thing and this top gear that's obviously goofed up right here. So we're just going to chop that off, and I think we'll have a good chain under that hopefully. Better be careful. There I go.
That's perfect. Perfect, Woody. Perfect.
I like the way this turned out. Single speed. Pretty sweet. Yes! I am an invincible bicycle man. Really invisible bicycle. Hopefully I have it all.
And with the cutting off of the seat post to level it down to dirt jumper size, that concludes part 1 of this video. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do many types of videos, and here's a taste of what you'll be in for. This is Patriot Contraptions, hoping you have a fantastic day, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on the latest builds. Thanks for watching.